It's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, and we're on board our 53-foot Roberts Cutter model sailboat. It's a Pilothouse design, all aluminum construction. This boat is a beauty. It's an offshore world cruiser. In furling main on this boat, roller furling head stays on it as well. Big Messenger self-tailing primary winches, secondary winches. Lots of nice features on this boat. All new running rigging in 2020. Huge upgrade was done on this boat. All LP painted on the hull. The bottom completely stripped off. But we're doing the deck video right now. And I talk a lot in my spec sheet about a lot of the nice features on it. You got 1-inch tubing on the rails here. Full Pilothouse as we go forward. You got a whisker pole there. A Z-spar mast. Anchor winch up there with a plow style anchor. All chain rode. Electric windlass. What a great boat. The boat's completely painted. It has teak decks on it, fastened into the aluminum. What a great looking boat. Just doing a quick walk around on the deck so you can see what it looks like from my point of view. Has running backstay, so when you're offshore sailing, you can keep the mast in one place. This boat has been to Alaska, it has been to Hawaii, and it's ready to go again. Somebody's gonna get themselves a great boat here in great condition. The owner spent the money, he's upgraded it. He had the boat originally put it all together. It was built for another gentleman who was the owner of the aluminum building company and eventually sold it to him prior to it being finished, and the owner finished it off. Look at all that stainless welding on the back. It's got the Furuno NXT system on it. All new electronics in 2024. I have all the receipts for that too. A lot of money was spent on this boat. Just the paint job alone was $150,000. The bottom was completely brought back to the original metal and 7 coats of epoxy. So we're looking at a 53-foot Roberts. It's a noisy day here at Shelter Island Marine. It's sitting out of the water for your inspection. It has a life raft, which is not certified at this moment and will not be as part of the sale. Ready to go. We're gonna go inside and do the video of the inside of the boat. Great looking machine. 53-foot Roberts. Pacific Coast Yacht Sales, 30 years in business. We really appreciate you watching our videos.